Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you've been on my channel. Make sure you subscribe. I'm sure you will love my channel. I do beauty reviews and tons of beauty-related content. Right on my face is a full face of Wet n Wild, and I will link that video in the description if you guys want to go check that out. Today, though, I'm sure you can see the title. I'm going to do 5 things I loathe about beauty gurus. Over the past 5-6 years, I have gone very heavily into YouTube. I am pretty much only a YouTube watcher. Unless there's some sort of, like Game of Thrones or something that I really want to see, I usually will download it and then I will watch it, on my computer. I will rent it, something along those lines, but most of the time I don't use cable. We do have cable at my house, but I just don't have the box hooked up. YouTube is my pride and joy. It's what I watch every single day, and I watch many beauty gurus. Many. And there are 5 things that I've been thinking about for the past month. Yes, it took me quite a long time to figure out what I wanted to say in this video, but there are 5 things that I just absolutely get so aggravated about when it comes to beauty gurus. So if you guys are interested in my 5 loathing beauty gurus list, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so I did want to do a tiny disclaimer. By no means am I either going to point out what beauty gurus do these things. I'm sure they know who they are, and I'm sure even you know who they are. And I'm also not talking about every beauty guru. One that I will actually mention is Tati Westbrook. She is one of the GO YouTubers. She is my favorite beauty guru. A lot of people have things to say about her, but I thoroughly 100% trust her. I've been watching her for years, and she has always given really concise advice. Things may not always work for you that she enjoys, but she has knowledge on different skin tones and skin, types, so I really do enjoy her. I think she has well gained her respect on YouTube. Anyway, the first thing that I wanted to talk about is something that is the most annoying to me, and that is first impressions being called a review. I have seen at least 20 in the last month of beauty gurus saying that it is like a review when you can clearly tell this is the very first time they've picked up the product. That is not a concise review, in my opinion. That's why I love, YouTubers like Stephanie Nicole and YouTubers like Jen Loves Reviews, because they are so concise in their video and they at least use the product more than once. I think that nobody, no matter how much makeup experience you've had, can use a product one time and know everything there is to know about that said product. I just don't believe it. I think that is the silliest thing on YouTube. First impressions, boo! Boo to first impressions! Alright, the second thing is close-ups. And sometimes Facetune, but not always. Sometimes people use a filter on their camera for like foundation reviews. I don't care what your skin looks like. I don't care if you have blemishes. I don't care if you have large pores. I want to see what it does over top of those problems. I think that is such an important thing for your reviews. Being close up, showing what you look like, showing if it has texture, whatever it's causing. No makeup looks as flawless as some portray on videos and in pictures. If you want to do Facetuned like James Charles, I have no problem with that at all, because I love looking at beautiful pictures. But just like him, let your audience know that obviously nothing looks that perfect. I think girls have a very distorted view on what it's actually gonna look like, because YouTubers just do not do close-ups. They do not give the full in-depth about what it's doing on the skin. I don't know if it's like insecurity. I myself have been known to not come close enough to the camera, and just as a I love gosh, I'm gonna put her name. I think it's that Taylor, because she does such high def reviews where she gets up to the camera, she goes into natural lighting, she does everything she can possibly do. And it's just amazing to me. I love it. All right, the next thing is, once people get above the 1 million mark, I would say, I feel like they forget to upload. just essentially forget to upload. Like, I understand that once you start to get bigger, you have brand deals and you have events to go to and, you know, you have your own life, but don't forget where your money was made. Don't forget where all this came from in the first place. I really love Tati, again, because she has done like 5 days a week for so many years, and that is such an amazing thing because she will not forget her subscribers, where she made her money in the first place, who made her money in the first place. That is such a big thing. At least once a week, twice a week, you should be able to do. Come on, people. Come on, YouTubers. Come on. The next thing is something that isn't as like important to me, but it can be very important, is not crediting people. A lot of tag videos, a lot of, like, I see it done to Sylvia Ghani, or no, what is her name? I'm going to put her name right here at the bottom, but she's the one that created all the highlighter, mixing all your highlighters, mixing all your foundations, and I very rarely see her actually put down in the bottom, you know, saying that this was her that created this video. That can give people a lot of traction. Share the love, share the subscribers, share the people, because, you know, it works better that way. YouTube works better when there are many people doing good on the application instead of just 10 or 15 people doing amazingly and everyone else kind of at the lower ratio. And I see that a lot. I realize that sometimes when you're doing a video, obviously you're not going to go searching for like who did it first, but very iconic videos like tags, like those types of videos that, you know her name. She's got a weird, it's like Sophia Nygaard. That is what it is. It's Sophia Nygaard. Sorry, I know I put it down at the bottom, but I had to remember for myself. She has done so many iconic videos, and so many people have done those videos that I don't see, you know, at the bottom of the screen or in your video or at the bottom in the description somewhere, please, somewhere. And I know that people are starting to crack down on that, and I do enjoy that because, you know, you can, it's not like you're stealing someone's idea because everything's been done before. The same thing when you all do a review. That doesn't mean you're stealing each other's reviews. It just, you know, when something is iconic like that, you really want to give the person as much traction as they can because that could be their big hit. Look at Simply Nailogical. Because of the 100 Layers Challenge and because of so many people not only doing it but watching it, she has an amazing YouTube channel now, and I think that, you know, that is just an amazing thing. The last one is the smallest one that honestly doesn't even mean a ton to me, but it does get annoying sometimes, and it is late PR hauls. Some people will save up all their PR for months and then do a PR haul. I want to see like weekly PR hauls. I want to see, you know, every 2 weeks, at the most every month, because what I'm looking for in there is brand new products, what they look like, what they swatch like. I love, again, Tati with the PR hauls. I think that her stuff is normally like right on the ball in the at least between 2 weeks and a month. There is another YouTuber that I watch, and I cannot remember her name for the life of me, but I'm going to put her name down there. She does weekly mail hauls, which I think is absolutely amazing, and I love that. Anyway, guys, that is all 5 of the things that I loathe about beauty gurus. I hope you guys don't take this too seriously. It is just my opinion. My opinion is not everything, obviously. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And subscribe to my channel, of course, 100%, because you know you guys are going to enjoy the video that is here and the video that is here. Click around, click down here for my subscription. And I love you guys so much. Bye!